Put all the dirty animals into the tub. A pig. A horse. A sheep. A rabbit. A chicken. Put the bar of soap into the tub. Turn the water on. Now, the animals need to dry off. Can you help our friend hang them up to dry? A chicken. A horse. A sheep. A pig. A rabbit. Let's brush a rabbit. That's not what he asked for. Let's brush a rabbit. Congratulations! Let's brush a horse. Yay! You did it! Can you brush a sheep? That's not what he asked for. Congratulations! Can you brush a pig? Congratulations! Can you brush a chicken? Very good!